Hi guys, dolls, and everything in between, and welcome to Plastic Chat. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joe.
And this is our channel where we talk about dolls,
toys,
collectibles,
and today, the holiday special edition Ariel.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
It's the holiday season.
Holidays. Dun 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 dun. Like
the rap intro.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm hesitant to open it, but I love opening dolls, and I don't really like them in boxes.
I would have never known that you liked opening dolls. Oh. No,
they need to be played with. Look at her. She's trapped in there.
She is beautiful. I love her outfit. I can't wait to feel it.
Yes.
It looks like it'd be a really good costume too, like a cosplay of it.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yes.
So she's available at the Disney store. She's $50, but I got her on a Black Friday deal. She was 20% off. So she was $30, and I had to jump at that chance.
My head just went spasm trying to do math. That's not bad for $30. Yeah. No, of course you do that. 100%.
Yeah. And she really reminds me of the limited edition dolls that they always do, the designer ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and those were like $125 or something like that. This one looks pretty similar.
Yeah.
Just less of the frilly frills.
Accoutrement.
Let's open her up.
I'm gonna be honest, I always thought that the pink dress the movie put her in and all their dolls are in clashes so much with her hair that it frustrates me.
It's not
so much.
She looks better in a seafoam green. That's her official dress.
Seafoam green or even this blue. I love it so much. I love the box too.
Hopefully it's easy to open.
Yeah, stress-free packaging.
Yeah.
I still want to do that. I want to find a doll that has stress-free packaging on Amazon.
Do it.
I know, I need to find... Well, first I need money. That's the first thing.
Girl, I've just been dipping into my savings. Don't tell anyone.
Nobody tell anybody. All of our followers, please don't tell anybody.
Okay, I have to take all the tape out.
I believe. That was such a noise of despair.
Taking off these tapes stressed me out so much because it's like I want to save the box because I want to put it back in.
Yeah.
But
have I ever shown you? I have not upstairs, but a little up closet storage area. There is a big bin full of all the boxes of my toys that are open, so that if I do ever move, I can just put them back.
Really?
Yeah, I'll have to show you. It's insane.
Oh my god, I must take so much space though.
Yeah. We can't play with it. It says 0 to 3 can't play with it.
Oh.
We did this for nothing. I'm so sorry, everyone. Teamwork.
I mean, I have to say, this is at least better than the Rainbow High.
The boxes?
Yeah.
Yeah, those boxes are made to be torn apart. I still think it's the funniest thing. Oh, it's a hanger. Well, it used to be. That still gets me to this day.
Wait, hold on.
It's a plastic-based sticker. Anybody who knows that reference, comment below.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Are you gonna rip her head?
Oh, you know what? This one I don't really want to. My
story about Ariel, while you slice her head open, the Little Mermaid scared me, so I could never watch it. Ursula scared me as a child.
Oh my god, I loved Ursula as a gay little boy.
It's one of the prerequisites. No, it used to scare me as a child, but Ariel was my favorite princess for a while.
Belle is my favorite.
Belle was great. Pocahontas was my favorite for a long time.
Mulan
was great.
Mulan is...
Cartoon Mulan.
Yeah, I haven't even seen the live action.
Yeah, don't. It's bad. 'Tis the season for tidings of good cheer and warm wishes. Capture the wonder of the holidays in style with this special edition doll series featuring beloved Disney characters. Just one. Just one.
Maybe it's going to be an annual thing. So
that would be so great. Designed by Disney store artists, the annual holiday keepsake is sure to be treasured by collectors and fans alike in celebration of the most magical time of the year. I do love this box. It's metallic, but it's nice. Very pretty. So
she has tissue to puff out her dress.
I was going to say she has issues.
Oh, she does.
I was like, we didn't do anything.
She does have issues, and I pay for my dolls, so I have to be unbiased.
You sent the thing to MGA, right? About your shoe?
Oh gosh, yeah.
This is an ongoing saga.
They sent me back a response. Because I opened it way past the 30 days.
Yeah.
They can't do anything. They're
Okay.
like, sorry, we know you probably love MGA and we hope that you continue to support us, but we cannot, give you a shoe. That's all I'm asking for is a shoe.
You're lucky you make good dolls.
But you know what? I did return it. I got to return it from Target and
Yay.
keep the doll. So
Oh, that's awesome. So
I
you
got
still
a
got the
free
money
doll.
back?
Yeah, I got my money back. Yeah.
Yeah. Did you tell them it was missing a very crucial part?
Yeah, I did. I mean, it was all online. Like, it just automatically gave me the money back.
Oh, that's rad. Oh, cool then.
Yeah.
You don't have to deal with anybody.
So here she is.
Oh, I love her coat.
She is so pretty.
Oh my god. Can I move her arm?
Yeah, do it.
I love this coat. I wish this was real.
She has-
she's in pigtail.
She has pigtails and they're kind of in like a loose braid. Is it a loose?
Yes, but it's a weird swishy braid,
Yeah.
like curls.
And her dress, guys, it's gorgeous. Let me just-
Yeah. Move it as close as you need to, because that's stunning.
She has a gorgeous velvet top
Yeah.
trimmed with some plushy fur and gold embroidery. Well, it's supposed to be gold embroidery, but gold print. Gilded. It's gilded with gold, let's say that. Lace trim on the sleeves.
It
and
looks
then,
like snow.
yeah, it looks like snow.
Oh, she's
And then her
so cute.
skirt, she
Yeah.
has this brocade pale blue skirt with looks like a taffeta blue overskirt, all with the printing.
I love this like fur kind of velvety
it's
or
like, what does
fleece.
it feel like? Is it fleece?
It feels like a little bit of fleece, maybe, or velvet.
It feels like those plushy blankets. You know those plushy blankets? I mean, I sleep with one of those on. It's like, they're super plushy and soft.
Oh yeah. I feel that vibe.
Yeah.
Oh, I love her.
And I really love the back. I love her bow. It's
Yeah.
so cute. Oh
It
my
is
God.
cute. She's very cute. I hope they make. Ooh. I hope they make more.
So, sorry about that, guys. Our camera randomly shut off. So we're back.
We fixed it. Yeah.
So we were showing you the back, right?
Yeah. Look at the back.
I love the bow.
Yes, it's perfect. Oh, I just noticed she has earrings.
Oh, wait, does she?
Yeah, she has little jewel earrings.
Oh,
Little
yeah.
sapphires.
And they're like perfectly scaled too.
Oh, yeah. I like the little gold. They're so cute.
Yeah,
Are Ariel's eyes blue?
I think so.
I didn't know that. that kind of messes me up. Oh, but yeah, like her braids, they look like they're curled around each other. Like
Yeah.
not like traditional braids, which is beautiful. Oh, I love that bow. She's so cute. Her hair is actually really well done too.
Yeah.
I love this.
I'm really happy.
Yeah, for $30.
$30.
$30, this is perfect. I really hope they make more.
Yeah, every year I hope they make more.
Yeah.
I almost felt like using her as a tree topper too.
Oh, that would have been cute.
But I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit cringy.
Oh, it would have been cute. My biggest thing is like tying her to the tree.
Yeah.
That's my biggest thing.
Yeah.
Oh, she's great. I love her dress.
One more thing, because we got to be unbiased. I really don't like the legs.
Oh, they don't bend?
She has the Barbie, the
Oh,
old Barbie.
like there's a wire in the silicone?
No, they're not even bendable.
She's a display doll. She's not meant to be played with.
Yeah, but
I know.
it's the details.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know.
It's the details.
I yell at Barbie all the time that they could make every doll a made-to-move doll.
Yeah,
But yeah.
but yeah, these legs are kind of disappointing. They're just like rubber legs.
Yeah, they feel like they're weird silicone legs. Overall, she's stunning.
Yeah, overall, if you keep her in the box, I think she's a great addition to my
Yeah.
collection. She really reminds me of the designer dolls I was talking about.
Yeah.
Because I used to collect those, but I had to sell mine because I had no money.
Oh, I feel that vibe. Yeah, I feel that vibe.
And now I'm like, I wish I didn't sell them.
That's the sad part of having to sell anything.
Yeah, it's like when you want it and get back, and then it's like 5 times the price.
Yeah, Jesus. Yeah. But yeah, no, for $30, oh, she's great.
Yeah, and one other thing, she should come with a stand.
Yeah, why doesn't she come with a stand?
I mean, I'm assuming it's because they're assuming people aren't going to open her.
But still.
Yeah, she's still
There's
come with
plenty
a
of collectors that like, they even in the Disney stores have them in the glass dome containers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like why? All dolls need to come with stands. I'm sorry. They just do.
That is a big pet peeve of mine.
Yes.
And that's why I love MGA, because they love
They all
having
come with stands. Yeah, I'm using one to hold up that custom doll because they come with them. Yeah, no, she's great. Oh, I love her outfit. I would 100% make this in a heartbeat.
For a cosplay?
Yes.
Oh my god, you should.
I know.
Please do.
I Listen, when conventions happen again, I will have so many costumes. If
Hey,
we're-
I'll help you.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, you have a sewing machine, no longer having to do it by hand. Oh.
You're so a great seamstress.
I try.
So guys, that was our review.
Yeah.
Now before we go, we have a little bit of housekeeping. We are changing the format of our channel.
Yeah.
So Rachel.
Joe. Sorry. After our next doll reveal to each other, I am going to be leaving the channel. But I have full confidence that Joe can do most of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm really sad to see you go.
Yeah.
But you know, it's for the better.
Yeah.
This was a decision that you have to make.
Yep.
And I respect that.
Yeah. It was
I
fun while it lasted.
Yes. I
Yeah.
will still continue with the channel. I have lots and lots and lots of videos planned, lots of doll openings, lots of customs, and I
have full confidence you can do it. Like, you'll do it 100%, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, you're always welcome back.
Yeah, small appearance.
Yeah. But this will be your second to last video.
Yep. With my last video being our...
I'll put a little asterisk. We film our futures in the past, so you'll probably see this out of order.
Yeah. You'll see this out of order.
Completely out of order.
Yeah.
But I have plenty of dolls piled up that I want to show you guys. And
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I've seen the pile.
Yeah.
Solid. So comment down below what princess you want them to do next. Which one you'd love to see in this kind of style.
Yes, I want to see. I would say Belle.
Yeah.
But she already has her Christmas outfit.
That's true. I am a sucker for Frozen. So like Elsa or Anna. I would love that. I know they do. Oh no, you know what I want? Tangled.
Tangled,
Rapunzel.
yes.
Rapunzel would be fantastic.
Rapunzel.
Yes,
Yes.
Rapunzel would be great. Oh.
Rapunzel. Oh, Tiana. I would love
Oh,
to see
Tiana'd be
Tiana.
great.
Oh my god, in like a 1920s. Okay.
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. No, sorry.
Everything. I want to see so many of these. So tell us what you guys,
Yeah.
which Disney princess you want to see.
And what you think of this doll overall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
And follow all of our socials.
Yes.
Here on the
and
screen.
we have TikTok. I'm opening the Monster High Advent calendar on my TikTok.
Yeah.
So make sure to follow there.
Yeah, it was a great find. It is a great find. It's
Yeah.
got some cool stuff.
All right. So with that said,
Keep it plastic.